He coming. Oh fuck. Doof. Alright, you little faggots. Listen here. Oh, I showed way too much shit. God damn it. I forgot about the damn giveaway for this horse shit over here. Oh boy, they're still there, fag. Listen, I'm gonna pick the fucking winner randomly in the next day or two. I was gonna do it on the 10th, but I got raped and forgot. So here we are, hooray! And there's some shitty shooting footage from whenever the hell it was recorded, because the goddamn drum took a dump and it was gonna be a lot better than it was, so it sucked, and then fuck. Oh, heavy shit. Alright, we got the poo-poo pap motherfucker. Zebra pap from hell. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, we got the shit can on it with the CNC bullshit adapter. So we're gonna see how loud this whore is. Yay! That's a 10-inch barrel. Lols. Oh fuck. First round pop it will be a little less loud now. Boy, you have no idea how hot that. Oh, you can hear it. Yeah. It was pee-peeing literally. Oh, yeah. What do you think? Oh, good. Is it quiet? It's fucking hearing safe for that thing. Yeah. It is pissed. You can see it pissed a bunch of shit back up in there. Loud. I suck ass at this. Uh-oh. Alright. Yep. It jammed. Yeah. This whore is down for the count.